Hello everyone, my name is Ashish and you are watching as the reader. Today is day 32 of my English practice journey and I am very happy to share with you and to continue with my beautiful journey with all of you. Today's topic is English speaking can make your career bright. In today's times, English is not just a language, it is a powerful skill. It connections to other peoples from different state, different country and different cultures. When you know how to speak English, you can communicate with anyone in the world, and when your communication becomes strong, your opportunities also become bigger. Many people think English is a difficult language or only necessary for big jobs, but that is not true. English is useful for everyone, whether you are a student or working professional or businessman or someone who wants to grow in their life. Learning English can help you in many ways. In fact, English makes your personality, your confidence, and open new paths for your career. Let's me explain why English speaking can make your career bright. First, English improves your communication skill. Good communication is needed in every field. If you can express your ideas clearly, if you can understand what others say, and if you can talk confidently, you will always have an advantage. Companies prefer people who can communicate well because it helps to teamwork, client meeting, and presentations and customer service. Even in a daily office conversation, English become very helpful. Second one is English increase your job opportunities. Today, many companies work globally. They deal with clients from other countries. They need employees who can speak and write English. Whether you apply for a new job in IT, finance, management, accounting, teachings, or any fields, English speaking you an extra large. Even if two people have the same qualifications and person who speak a better English is selected more than often. In my own field, accounting, English is very important. Whether it's preparing a report, sharing emails, understanding a financial documents, or coordinating with auditors, English is required everywhere. Many accounting terms are also in English, so learning the language helps us understand our work better. That is one reason I am doing this daily English practice, because improving English automatically improves my professional life. The third one is English builds confidence. Yeah, it's good for English build our confidence. When we speak English, you feel more comfortable in meetings, interview, and your social situations. You don't feel shy or nervous. Confidence is a very important part of the success, and English plays a big role in building that confidence. Even if you speak slowly or more mistakes, practice help you improve day by day. The fourth one is English helps you learn new things. English always helps you new things. Most of the knowledge, one of the internet videos, books, articles, courses is available in English. If you know English, you can learn new skills anytimes. Whether it is computer knowledge, financial training, personality development, or any professional course, English helps your access more information. A person who learns more grow more. Fifth one is English helps you connect with the world. English is help you connect with the world. If you travel to other places to meet other people from a different background, English becomes a common language. It's make communication easy to helps you feel comfortable anywhere. How I want to share one important message: you don't need to be perfect to speak English, you just need to be consistent. Practice every day. Don't feel shy or afraid. Mistakes are part of our learning. Even today's on my day 32, I am still learning. I make mistakes too, but I continue because I know improvements come slowly, step by step. And today I'm also the reading. I'm just reading and I just exercise my mouth, my jaw. So I just habit to using English conversations and English knowledge. I'm not my background is not from English. I'm studying Hindi mediums. So if you want to bright career, start improving your English today. You can read books, watch videos, listen to English speakers, and practice speaking with your friends. The more you practice, the better you become. A practice is the only key. So on day 32 of my English practice journey, I want to say that English speaking is an important skill that can make your career bright. It opens the door, builds confidence, and helps you grow in every part of your life. Never stop learning, stop improving, never stop learning. You always learning. One day you will see your result, amazing result. So thank you so much for listening. My name is Ashish and you are watching As the Reader. I meet you again tomorrow with another topic. Thank you so much.